How are your lottery and other prize winnings taxed? Hi, I am Juliana and I'm an enrolled agent living in Texas. I have a background at the IRS as well as a master's in taxation. I like to cover some of my experiences that I had at the IRS as well as things that you may experience in tax or with the IRS. If any of that interests you, then come along. So if you won a prize on Oprah, or if you won the lottery, or you went to a casino and you won some prize, how do you treat that on your tax return? Well, each state will treat it differently. Some states, like California, will have taxation on those winnings at a specific rate that is determined by the state. Federally, though, you will have to pay tax. So if you earn over a certain amount in cash, most casinos or your state lottery will do a flat withholding of about 24% and give it straight to the IRS. This is a withholding only. This is to ensure that you will pay some taxes at least to the IRS at some point. The IRS mostly just doesn't want you to win a bunch of money and then blow it all and then owe them a ton of money at the end when you file your taxes and you just don't have anything left to pay. The winnings are actually taxed, whether it is an asset like a vehicle or a trip or actually cash. It's taxed at your income tax rate, which could be the 24%, it could be 30%, or whatever the tax brackets are. It could be less if you are in a lower tax bracket, or higher if you are in a higher tax bracket. Typically, if you have winnings that are a significant amount, it will bump you up into a much higher tax bracket, even if it is only for that year. 24% may cover all of your taxes, and it may not. It really depends. That is a pretty high percentage, but keep in mind, you just got a whole bunch of money or some sort of a huge benefit from all of these winnings, and so, you still are coming out ahead. The IRS taxes this money and these winnings because you are coming out ahead. It is something that you did. You went to a show and got this. You went and you gambled. You did something to win this, and so therefore it is income to you. Some places, like Oprah or some other TV show, may pay for your taxes that you have to pay on a large asset or some prize that you got. So keep that in mind. That might help you out a little bit. But never forget, when you win money, you still have to pay your taxes, and it can get pricey.